Hey y'all, so welcome back. This is different because I'm starting this at night, but we are headed, I hope you can hear me, we are headed to our Miracle Bar, which is basically a bar that gets this makeover as basically everything Christmas, like top to bottom, all gas, no brakes Christmas. So I'm going to see that, and then I might walk around downtown and see there's an art installation that's going on. So we're gonna go into the Haymaker and see Miracle Bar. Alright, so I got the holiday spike chai, obviously, that has brandy, Jamaican rum, coffee liqueur, amaretto chai, almond milk, egg white, tiki bitters, and nutmeg. So, she's strong. I always forget every year that these are so strong. We didn't get to come last year because we forgot. So you want to try it? And I have one of these glasses. It's funny because I bought Hank this one last year, and I've had this one. So, oh wait, I was telling you mine to try. Hank got Grandma got run over by a T-Rex. It has vodka, arms liqueur, Genetian aperitif, aloe vera, spiked pomegranate, and grapefruit mix, lime, and aromatic bitters. So let me try his. I'm probably not gonna like it though. Actually, I might like this a little more. Delicious.
Yeah, there's like a little bit of grapefruit taste in there. That's like the only thing you really like.
Yeah, it's good. Try it. Not smell it. Ooh. That's real good. Dude, he is watching me drink this thing. Also, my sweater, y'all. Bob's Burgers Christmas sweater. I hope some of y'all are some Bob's Burgers fans. Yeah, if any of y'all are any Bob's Burgers fans, drop a little burger emoji in the comments because we love Tina. Thank you. Alright, so I got Santa's Little Helper, which is gin, spiced caraway syrup, eucalyptus, sage, lime, and something. That's hot. That's real good. That's like really good. Isn't that good? That's crazy. This is where it gets dangerous. This is a burger. And like all the bars have like this little menu where you can take like the cups home if you want to. But we already have what, 3 of these? 4 of these. I think we have this one. We have one of these, and we have the barrel one, we have the Santa feet, and we have the T-Rex, and the, yeah. I got it for it's getting real feisty in here. Oh, Jesse's beard is in there. He's gonna be mad.
There's something like no pictures.
It's delicious. Okay, y'all, I had to come show y'all this bathroom because it has, you see it? Biggie wallpaper, which I need this in my study cubby because, I mean, this bathroom is just adorable. All right, now I'm gonna go to the bathroom, but I had to show you the Biggie wallpaper. All right, so we're at okay, he's an idiot. So we're out of Haymaker and I want to go see this light installation. So we're gonna go see it. I'm gonna show y'all. But if you're in downtown Raleigh, you have to come see it because it's right here downtown. So yeah. Y'all, there is a giant, just as being an idiot, there is a giant ornament. I'm inside the ornament. That's so cool. It's so pretty in here. Wow, that's so cool. All right. Like, look at this thing. Look how big that thing is. Insanity. All right. Let's go over here. There's one over here that has like a bunch of rainbow lights and like looks like a bunch of vases if you're fancy. That's cool. Look at that. Huh? Jesse's acting like he's gonna steal some extension cords. He's not. Look at that thing. Look at all these vases. I knew you were gonna say to the uncultured is a vase. Apparently Jesse's from Massachusetts and it's a vase. I think it changes, right? Yeah.
It's a vase kid.
It's a vase kid. Yeah, Hank. If you haven't realized by now, Jess has a lot of nicknames. Sometimes it's Hank, sometimes it's H, sometimes it's Buffalo Head. There's multiple things that he is. So, yeah. So this cool little thing is like this whole little like tunnel thing. So they got some rave music playing. Here, go ahead, Jess. It's pretty cool. It's insane. Way to go, Raleigh, doing some cool little stuff. Alright, so I guess that was all of the light show, but if you watched all this way, I appreciate you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.